This is how you refund games on Ubisoft Connect. First thing we need to do is click on our profile icon on the top right, then in the drop-down menu select Orders. From there a new menu will pop up showing all your purchases made on this account. Find the game or purchase you want to refund and select View Order Details. This will show you all about your purchase and what game it is and how much the purchase was. We need to select Request a Refund. After selecting Request a Refund, it will want to know why you are requesting a refund, so tell it whatever you want. Then we need to select Continue. Now it will ask you what purchase method you want your refund money sent to. For me, I chose my debit card, which takes a day or two longer than the other option, which is the Ubisoft Connect wallet. Once you choose where you want the funds sent to, scroll down and select Confirm. The next screen should say your refund request has been received, so be on the lookout for an email from Ubisoft telling you if they accepted your refund or not. Assuming your purchase qualifies for a refund, the request should be accepted and your refund sent out. We will also want to make sure we uninstall the game we just sent a refund request for. I am ReaperDigital. I hope this video helps, and thank you all for watching.